Now the question becomes, if I've got HDMI here and category cable here and HDMI here, how are we converting one to the other? And I think everybody in here has at least heard of HDBaseT. Yes? Good. Okay. HDBaseT is a communication standard or communication protocol. It was developed by a few different companies. The really important one to mention here is a company called Valens. They're the guys who make the chips to make all this work. We're converting HDMI to category, then category back to HDMI. It's all because of these Valens chips. We see HDBaseT now in almost all of our products where we're doing extenders. Our matrix switches, some of them do have HDBaseT. And in the past couple of years, I've seen this trend where like projectors and even some devices themselves will have an HDBaseT port. I know some Epson projectors have it, there may be some more. Sony has it too, right? So at the other end of the category cable run, you don't need one of these. You don't need a receiver anymore. Just a transmitter on one side, and then HDBaseT straight into the projector. HDBaseT, the spec calls for at least Cat5e. We kind of talked about that already. And their most powerful chip, we can go about 100 meters so far right now. 200 contributing members around the world. We're one of them with HDBaseT. I've been to a couple of their events so far, and they're very interesting, very cool, very techy, very, very deep down the rabbit hole, but I don't see them really going anywhere anytime soon. I'm a little curious on what's going to happen with HDBaseT once fiber becomes really common and really popular, but I'm sure they've already kind of figured out what they're going to do. HDBaseT is very unique because we have 5 different things that we can transmit down that cable. We can do audio, we can do video, we can do control, we can do Ethernet, and we can do power. So all 5 of those things is all taken care of by HDBaseT. So if you have a product that's fully compliant with HDBaseT, we can do all of these things through that category cable, which is kind of nice.